Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys, Virgos. So let's start with these cards. We have Six of Stars, Ten of Suns, and Knight of Suns in reverse. So in your circumstances, guys, Virgos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are going through an important change, guys, in your life, important transformation. So whatever you are feeling, thinking, everything is changing. There is a great transformation happening. So some kind of emotional awakening or a spiritual awakening. You are just feeling more free, more energetic. You are having that emotional detox. So whatever negative emotions you had in your circumstances, maybe in your work or in your relationship, whatever was there is simply leaving you. You are feeling more confident, feeling more happy, able to handle your circumstances in a better way today, guys. Seeing things more clearly and seeing things differently today because you are more cheerful, confident, and you feel really free. That emotional clutter is not there in your heart. Maybe you are trying to do that or it is happening all by itself. So your circumstances are acting like a catalyst, maybe trying to give you that relief today, guys, Virgos. So maybe the reason for this relief, maybe there is a change of scenery, maybe you're traveling, you are taking a day off, taking a holiday, doing things differently. You just want to relax and have this time for detox, maybe for some of you. And you are seeing great changes, guys. Whatever has happened even in this relationship. You have a clear understanding today, and that may be the reason you want to give up all that negativity and move forward. So you are seeing things in a different light today, Virgos. And that is something unexpected. Maybe for some of you, you expected this person to be like you. Maybe you are devoted, honest, you want a meaningful relationship with this person and you expected that. But this person, they are just here maybe just for fun, not for that commitment. That may be the reason for some troubles in this relationship. They are not reciprocating your true feelings, and your you are trying to make them understand your circumstance, make them understand that you want commitment, but it may lead to some negative circumstance for you, guys, Virgo. So this person may not speak with you, or they may try to avoid you. So you are in a difficult situation because your views and their views are different, guys, Virgos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Hangman in reverse. So, a lot of uncertainty in your circumstances, guys. You don't know how things will go or what will happen, because this person is not reciprocating like you. Maybe they are quite selfish, or what to say, they do not see things clearly like you. But for some of you Virgos, you will be able to see the truth. What is the truth? What needs to be done, or what needs to be your stand today? So you are going to get that wisdom beyond your circumstances, the truth behind these circumstances, and you are going to handle this situation in a beautiful way, guys, Virgos. So for your career situation, we picked one card, and it is Lady of Sons. So there is a person close to you, reliable, and they are guiding you guys in your work. So it may be your mentor or colleague. So if you have someone like that, if you feel that you can trust them with important decisions, you can listen to this person, guys. They are going to help you, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for you all, for those who chose this first card. It is Apache Tears. It's a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation, maybe you have too much sadness in your heart. You are thinking of your past person, your past love. So whatever happened, whatever the circumstances were, and it is simply weighing you down. So today you need to heal from that, guys. Heal from that negative situation. So rejection, sadness is a form of a divine blessing, guys. So one day you will be able to see this circumstance with a different set of eyes. So you will have a more clearer vision, the reason why things went in such a way, and what was the benefit or what you achieved with that sadness and rejection you are feeling today. So in your future, you will be able to see what unexpected gifts these stressful, sad times have given you, guys. You will realize that very soon. But with this card, this Crystal Spirit card asks you to keep your heart open, so that you live more fully, more lovingly, and more meaningfully from now onwards, guys. So whatever has happened has happened. So there is no way of changing it, but you can change your present and your future. So goodness is coming your way, happiness is coming your way, and your beautiful destiny is waiting to unfold. All you need to do is clear that negativity you have in yourself, release the past, wash away the old with the tears. Maybe you feel like crying, you just cry it out. and release all that sadness and stress you feel. So you no longer need to hold on to these old emotions. That is not going to help you in any way, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says, beyond the threshold of fear. So in your circumstances, guys, you have some kind of a self-imposed barrier of fear, something holding you back from moving forward. So you are in that mindset, you want to take that big leap forward. You no longer want to be controlled by this fear. You no longer want to hold yourself back for this fear, and you no longer want to be the victim. You want to move forward in your life. Maybe in this relationship you have some fears. That is the reason holding you back, holding you from making that big step. But you are moving towards that big step, guys. You need not worry, because you are moving forward towards that, and you are going to feel so happy, free, just like flying, and you are going to feel that freedom, and you can trust in the vision you have, and fear is not going to hinder your vision, and it's not going to obstruct the way you see the truth. So you must give up this fear you have in your circumstance towards something. So that is what is pulling you back, weighing you down, holding you to a particular situation, and you feel that you are bound, and you are no longer you have that energy to move out. But today you have that confidence and courage in your heart to dispel all this fear and move forward in life, guys. So that is what I see. So you are going to be absolutely free, and you are going to have a clear vision what needs to be done in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in this relationship, and there is no more darkness for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.